write x units is cut out from this rectangle. So students, we can use operations on algebraic expressions to find the area of shaded part. So let us write the area of rectangle ABCD as area of rectangle ABCD. Okay, so now we'll write here area of the shaded part is equal to area of rectangle ABCD minus area of square MNCP. Okay, so now this will be what, student? This will be 2xy, then minus, and then area of square MNCP is what? It will be x square. So now next, area of the shaded part is equal to area of rectangle ASPD plus area of square SBNM. Now, what will be the area here? Here it will be what? Here it will be y minus x. So here in bracket we'll write y minus x into 2x plus, and here this area will be what? It will be x square. So plus x square. Now what we will do? Let us multiply. So 2x into y will be how much? It will be 2xy. Then minus, then this will be what? This will be 2x square. Then plus x square. Now, let us, what we'll do? Let us subtract this. So it will be what? It will be 2xy minus x square. And so students, the product of algebraic expressions is called their expansion or their expanded form. So there are some formulae which help in writing certain expansions. Okay, so let us learn some of such formulae. So the expanded form of the square of a binomial. Now let us look at this figure. So students, in the figure alongside the side of the square PQRS is equal to what? X plus y, right? And so therefore area of square PQRS is equal to x plus y square. Now students, the square PQRS is divided into 4 rectangles. First, second, third and fourth. So area of square PQRS is equal to sum of the areas of rectangles 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So now students, therefore area of square PQRS is equal to area of rectangle 1 plus area of rectangle 2 plus area of rectangle 3 plus area of rectangle 4. So here we'll write what? We'll write x plus y the whole square is equal to x square plus then xy then plus xy plus y square, right? So then is equal to x square plus, now this will be what? This will be 2xy plus y square. So students, therefore x plus y the whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square, right? So now let us multiply x plus y the whole square as algebraic expressions. So it will be x plus y, then bracket x plus y is equal to x into x plus y into x plus y, right? So now let us multiply. So x into x will be x square, then plus xy, then plus yx plus y square, right? So therefore x plus y the whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. And so students, the expression obtained by squaring the binomial x plus y is equal to the expression obtained by finding the area of the square. And therefore, x plus y the whole square is equal to x square plus 2x y plus y square is the formula for the expansion of the square of a binomial. Now activity 2. So as we can see in the figure, the square with side A is divided into 4 parts, namely square with side A minus B, then square with side B, and 2 rectangles of side A minus B and B. Right? So here we'll write area of square 1 plus area of rectangle 2 plus area of rectangle 3 plus area of square 4 is equal to area of square PQRS. Right? So here we'll write what? Now here it will be A minus B the whole square plus A minus B into B plus A minus B into B plus B square is equal to A square. Right? Then here it will be A minus B the whole square, and this will be what? This will be plus 2AB minus 2B square, and then plus B square is equal to A square. So be A minus B the whole square plus 2AB minus B square is equal to A square. So therefore A minus B the whole square is equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. And so students, now let us multiply the algebraic expression and obtain the formula. So A minus B the whole square is equal to A minus B into A minus B. Right? So it will be A into A minus B minus B into A minus B. So now when we will multiply this, we'll get what? We'll get A square. Then your minus AB plus B square. Right? So it will be A square. Then this will be minus 2AB plus B square.